The administration key allows you to check the locker, clear the current code, or change the lock settings. To use the administration key, first plug the key into the USB connection located at the bottom of the Master Lock electronic built-in locker lock keypad module. Then, press the administration key button to put the lock into settings mode. This function does not affect the current code. To check the locker, open the lock by pressing 0 and open the locker door. Check and close the locker and press 0 again to relock the lock, followed by the checkmark button. To clear the current code, open the lock by pressing 0, then press X. The lock is now set to unlock mode and you can change its settings. To change the lock settings, press 1 for single user mode. Press 2 for multi-user mode. Press 3 for ADA applications in use with the Bluetooth connected ADA fob. When in single or multiple user mode, you can set the number of digits required in the code by pressing 4 for a 4-digit code, 5 for a 5-digit code, or 6 for a 6-digit code. To turn off the sound, press 7. To turn the sound on, press 8. Press the checkmark button to exit the settings mode after resetting the code, making function changes, or restoring default settings. To restore the lock into its factory default settings, press and hold 9 for 5 seconds to reset the lock.